you ideas if you face something like this.
Just check the vibe. See, you can sit here, enjoy here with good vibes like this. So last year from this side also it is closed. Right now maybe in proper summers it will open. So at this side we can go inside, and here was different podiums we can sit with the also sand was there, and different benches were there. We can sit there and enjoy it. So maybe I think I came last year in July, so maybe at that time in next month maybe they will do this when it will be full summer.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I
So now you guys can enjoy
want
this
it to
vibe
be.
with me.
Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
So we are also enjoying, and I'm putting my camera on a still place so you guys can also enjoy the all natural vibes and take positivity and happy and positive vibes of me.
I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll line higher, I'm the one, beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer, I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast.
And now it's raining.
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I know I'll be her. I'm the one who gets to be her. I see the signs that I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Never lie. I stay in my light. Let the world follow behind. I know it's on how I make my mind. I'm the one who gets to.
So this is Lamborghini model 1967.
I stay in
Just check the vibes. Wow. So I'm just trying to give you guys the proper vibe of this place, as there are not too much people, so we can film it better and feel it better, and I can convey the feelings of this place to you in a more better way. That's why I'm not speaking much, but showing you guys with all the atmospheric sounds. So guys, if you have noticed in the previous clip, it is rotating very slowly. So in this just beautiful place, I just want to give a short message that guys, travel brings a new person from you. You don't know yourself, you find yourself when you travel, you find your partner when you travel, you both come to know the qualities of each other. You know your qualities. When you want to find yourself, go and travel. No matter, you don't need to travel to Paris, France or something. A short travel wherever you can travel. travel, you know new things, you come to know yourself, you come to know the world, you come to know new things in going in the world, new culture, new people, how they live, how they survive in different conditions, and then you become a more stronger and newer version of yourself, and which is very very good. Traveling is healthy. I'm sick right now, but I'm still traveling. It rejoices you, it brings energy to your body, to your mind, it refreshes your mind, refresh your body, refresh your soul, and brings a new person from you from inside. So guys, this is the place from where we entered. So now we are at halal shop called Chicken and More, and it looks really very delicious. This meal is for 15 euros, so 6 pieces of chicken and good big pieces like KFC, and fries and sauces, 2 sauces. So let's try this, and we have to catch a train in 20 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Also weiß ich Bescheid, willst du sie gleich? Du steht alleine in deinem
Really very good, delicious, tasty. Even hot, it was fresh. So now we'll eat quickly because we have to catch up in 20 minutes. So this is the shop, Chicken and More. If you will come, there is Hobbanov, you will come just straight, you will find it. And ice cream is also there, burger is also there. The taste was really good, and it is also economical as far as I have eaten up till now in Germany. And the most important thing, this is halal shop. So now let's go and catch up the train, because in 10 minutes we have train now. So this is the science center and the whole building is above, and this is the decoration from inside, and this building at night looks whole blue. You guys can see how I am sitting in the train, because on every window at one side there is wind coming from one side. Like from that side it's not coming, but from this side it is coming. So I have covered with myself like this with the coat, because it was already raining outside, and so like I don't want to get cold, and the wind is also cold because weather due to rain is bit cold. So I have found this trick to cover myself. So the wind, this is blocking the wind coming from upside, and now it's fine, and I'm sitting like this. You can see in the train, enjoying. So I'm sharing this with you because traveling is an experience. So I'm sharing my experience with you, and I'm also giving you ideas if you face something like this, what you can do. Or else if you don't have this, then I also have this to cover myself like this. But we have this coat, so it's fine. So take care. Goodbye. Hope you guys have enjoyed the trip, and I've also really enjoyed the trip, and I will also come next time, maybe tomorrow or some other day. But the 49 euro ticket is going on, so we can come again. Maybe I'm planning I will come again tomorrow. So but you will know from my vlog, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you will always be updated on where I am traveling. And travel vlogs are also coming and will be coming, and ASMR vlogs will also be coming. I will try my best to let you guys enjoy, and as the way I'm enjoying, I hope today also you have enjoyed. And keep yourself healthy, stay blessed, keep smiling, and see you in the next vlog. Take care. Allah Hafiz.